Joe, beer message today. We have a 16 Cadillac SRX, goes for multiple years, and we need to change a bulb in here. It's a turn signal light, and believe it or not, we have to take the bumper assembly off at least halfway to get to it. I tried to access it from the top. There is no access in there. Very difficult and very tight. Tried to access it from the bottom. I took the liner down. Can't do it. So the first thing you do, there's 3 bolts here that hold the liner to the bumper. These are hex head, very small. Take them out. There's an 8mm up here. We're going to get that out. And along the top there are 10mm. Just pull that like that. I take 10mm here off the top. And there's some on the bottom, but we're going to see how that pulls out. But it's a shame. I have to actually take the bumper apart. Here's another one, some type of hex head or rivet. We're going to get that out. Release this bumper, then pull the headlight out and change those bulbs. I pulled real hard and this came off here. Now we're going to access under here, take this off, this cover, so we can get to the bolts. There's probably some on the bottom of the bumper cover I got to get off too. Alright, so I got the top bolt out for the light. That's free now. We can figure out. I probably have to disconnect the bottom bolts on the bumper so I can swing it out. So down underneath there's 7mm bolts to go all along here. So I gotta loosen them up so I can pull took them out. I took about 8 of them out. So I can get this bumper pulled out. So I can get to those bolts. There's one right there. Alright, so there's another one in there, and that should loosen it. Right here. Next to the light, you can see it. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4 there. So I'll loosen that. We'll see if we can pull out the assembly. So that did it. I'll take the light out, and then we'll look at the back, change that bulb. Here's the back of it. I'm going to twist it out. Right there. I'm going to pull it straight out. Doing this with one hand, but basically pull that out, replace it. And there's little numbers on the bulb where you can call the local supply house and tell them what it's for. If it's for the turn signal, what your make and model of the car is, and they can give you that bulb. You can take it out and take it to them. And the other bulbs are inside here. You got to spin this off to the left and then bulbs, but I'm not going to do that now. But that's basically how you do it. And then you put everything together. So I had to take out about 20 screws just to get this headlight out, or more. It's ridiculous. But that's how it's done. There's no access into the liner or any other way. You just have to bite the bullet.